In order to rotate an object, you can select rotate command from modify panel. So here we have this rotate command on modify panel of home tab. Select rotate. Now select the object which you want to rotate. In this case, I want to rotate this rectangle. Now press enter. As you can see that the command line now prompts you to select the base point, and the base point which you select will remain fixed, and that will also act as pivot point of rotation. So now let's select this corner point, this lower left point of this rectangle as the base point, and as soon as you select that point, you will see that your rectangle starts to rotate along with your cursor, keeping that base point at its constant position. Now you can specify rotation angle using command line, or you can click anywhere on the screen to rotate it dynamically. So I will enter rotation angle from command line. Let's enter 30 and press enter. So here we have this rectangle rotated at an angle of 30 degree. In order to make a rotation along with a copy of this rectangle, you can select rotate, go to this rectangle, press enter, specify base point, and now from this command line click on copy. This will ensure that the original rectangle will be retained and the copy of that rectangle will be created at the angle which we provide right now. So let's enter an angle of 120 degree in this case and press enter. So here we have these two rectangles, and this rectangle is at 120 degrees. Now in this case, we don't know the angle for this line. We have made this randomly. In order to rotate it at a particular known angle, you can select reference. So let's see how we can access reference from rotation. Select rotate, select this object and press enter. Now click on the base point. Again, in this case, this lower left point will be the base point. And now from command line select reference. Now you need to specify the reference line of our object. So here I'll click at this point as the origin and the destination. Now AutoCAD cursor will follow your line or the object. All you need to do now is enter the destination angle or the final angle. So let's enter 60 and press enter. So whatever the angle of your original line was, it's now changed to an inclined line of angle 60 degree, and in both the cases, in this case and in this case, the angle will be measured from positive direction of x-axis and in a anti-clockwise sense.